Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to download an email template in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, just scroll down this left side menu and click on Content. After that, click on Email Templates. First, let's preview my email template. This is it. It has a little bit of text and the footer here. Let's close this window. Now to download this email template, just click on this little arrow and select export as HTML. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And it is downloaded to my computer. And this is how to download an email template in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.